I've been teaching online for a number of years, and so I really enjoy learning new technology and creating videos and animation and lots of engaging visuals and audios and accessibility for my students. It's really fun and creative. The thing I'm trying this semester that's new is non-judgmental workshops. And it's a tough sell, but I decided to create in my Poetry of Mindfulness course, where I draw a lot of exercises from my textbook, The Practice of Creative Writing. I decided at this time, the pandemic, we needed something different than a judgmental workshop. And it's very difficult, but I'm drawing on my background in mindfulness practices and asking the students to present a very different kind of close reading to their peers. And it's hard. It sounds good, but it's really difficult to do. So there's been some resistance, not unexpected, but I'm going to stick with it because I feel like we need something that's less evaluative and more supportive of growth. So what we're doing is in a non-judgmental workshop, I'm trying to ask the students to focus on one technique. For example, in the poems that we were looking at last week, we're simply trying to list enabling details. And I have a whole section on this in the Practice Creative Writing. It's pretty subtle. If that detail is allowing your reader to see more than what's on the page, so it takes a lot of discernment and sitting quietly, and it's just really hard to do, but I feel like that's what we need so much right now. So the task in a non-evaluative workshop is to simply sort the lines of the poem, which ones have an enabling detail and which ones don't. But here's the takeaway. The lines that don't have an enabling detail aren't wrong. That's just not what we're doing today. They're not wrong. It's a really tough sell. It just takes a lot of nuance and it's subtle, but I gotta say, it's working. I am seeing so much growth in the students' work.